Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your password on PlayStation app. Now if you want to change the password on PlayStation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to change the password on PlayStation app, make sure that you have installed the PlayStation app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from your App Store or your Play Store. So after that, open the PlayStation app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may click on the option of sign in at the very bottom of the screen. So after signing in, you need to go on the security settings option. So you need to click on the profile icon, which is at the very top right of the screen, and from there you need to select the option of settings. So after clicking on settings, you need to scroll down until you see the option of account information. So click on account information and click on the option of security. So by clicking on the option of security, you will see the options of password, and also click on the option of password, and you need to enter your current password and then a new password. So enter the current password and new password and click on the option of confirm and click on the option of save, which will be at the very bottom of the screen. So by doing all of it, you will be able to log into your password. So if you have forgotten your password, then you may click on the option of travel signing in, which is at the very sign in page, and you may reset your password from here. So that's it. That's how you can change the password on PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.